This next video contains some spicy language. Just thought I'd let you know in advance. And Daisy won't be listening to it either. Well, good evening everyone, and welcome to another edition of Cooking for Canines. As I said yesterday, I love cooking for dogs. I don't like cooking for people. You suck. So, what we're going to do is brew up a nice little batch of chicken and bacon and other assorted things that I found and make up a happening dinner for the dogs. In the meantime, while this stuff's cooking, I'm not a big fan of TV. I don't watch a lot of TV, and but I decided to the other day after taking the dogs out and having a bit of fun, and I noticed there was like a Frasier episode. Now, for those of you that don't know, Frasier was a takeoff of Cheers. Go look it up. And yeah. So, right at the beginning of these shows, I noticed there was a warning. Something, and mature themes on Frasier. Why? Okay, what was a mature theme? The heated argument deciding which psychiatric genius was better. If any of you have watched Frasier and you need a warning for mature themes, get your head checked. You're an idiot. Okay, there is absolutely nothing. What do they do that with every show on TV? Like every one of them? Disgusting. I think George Carlin said it right long time ago when he was describing these biker diner things or something along those lines, when he said it was the further pussification of America. Well, it's not America, it's Western society. Anybody, tell me what a mature theme in Frasier could be, and I'm willing to listen. And now, like they do in the cooking shows, which I don't like either, we will apply the sauteed stuff. Just, oh, buddy, you're already here, you know. He's a big fan of this show. Get out of the way, pal. That's right, pal. So, all it is chicken, bacon, a bit more chicken, and gravy. Oh, after a hard day of doing absolutely nothing, ta-da! Here, got any foodies that want some of this? Cool. Ever gonna hear them come?